Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Renault Zoe? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard offers a modern design with a large touchscreen, clear instrument cluster, and easily accessible controls. Its user-friendly layout ensures comfort and convenience for both driver and passengers. The instrument cluster features clear, easy-to-read gauges, along with a digital display that provides essential driving information and vehicle status at a glance. The LCD displays crisp visuals, showing key information like speed, fuel level, and alerts for easy monitoring while driving. The climate control offers dual-zone automatic settings with fast heating and cooling, plus air quality and humidity management. The gear selector is designed for smooth operation, allowing easy and precise shifting for a comfortable driving experience. The steering wheel has built-in controls for easy, safe access to key functions. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, side light warning, main beam headlight. Dipped beam headlight, rear fog lights. Automatic main beam, left-hand direction, right-hand direction, indicator light airbag, handbrake or assisted, auto hold system warning, urgent stop warning, warning light, front seat belt reminder, door status warning, electrotechnical system, electric motor fault warning, traction battery gauge, traction battery fault warning, secondary 12-volt battery charge, limited performance warning, ECO function indicator, charging cord plugged in, anti-lock braking warning, warning light for the electronic stability, warning light for non-availability of the electronic stability, tire under inflation, variable power assisted steering, lane departure system warning, warning light to indicate a fault, brake circuit fault warning, overspeed warning, cruise control, charging program, warning lights for air conditioning, safety precaution, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.